In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable handwriting to text in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a useful setting if you want Edge to recognize handwriting input and make your browsing experience a little more flexible and convenient. Whether you're using a touchscreen device, a stylus, or just want to make sure this feature is turned on, I'll walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is where you'll find the main browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Edge settings page. On the left side of the settings panel, find Privacy, Search, and Services and click on it. This section controls a lot of the browser's privacy and permission options, so this is where we need to be. Next, scroll down until you see Site Permissions and click that option. Site Permissions lets you manage what websites and browser features are allowed to access different tools on your device. After that, click on All Permissions. This will show you a full list of available permissions inside Edge. Now look through the list until you find Handwriting to Text. When you see it, click on it to open the setting. On this page, you'll see the toggle for Handwriting to Text. If it is turned off, simply switch it on. Once the toggle is enabled, Microsoft Edge will allow Handwriting to Text support in the browser. And that's really all there is to it. You've now enabled handwriting to text in Edge by going through Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, Site Permissions, All Permissions, and then turning on handwriting to text. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.